StepfaWord.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah, Mum.
Good. Then we shall begin.
Wicked.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming at you loud, live, and direct from the darkest depths of your imagination.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up! Step forward. Welcome to Step Forward, the spoken word podcast, where AI meets creativity and reflection. And the work asks the author the questions. In episode 11, we explore GodCarryI, written by my guest, Mycall Isrell. Okay, Mycall, make we do this. You write, footprint in the sands of time, GodCarryI, like fruits on a vine. So tell me, if those footprints were not yours, whose were they? Let's continue on episode 11 of Talk to Dee Book. I carry the words the author writes, and I ask the questions. Until we meet again, stay with the work.
Please take a moment to like, share or leave a comment. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from Patwah Media.